American Trucks and Equipment, located at 406 North State Road 7, Hollywood, Florida 33021. You can call or text Anthony at 954-706-0081. We're going to go ahead and do a startup video and a boom demonstration on our 2008 GMC C5500. It is a Duramax 6.6 liter turbo diesel motor, automatic Allison transmission. The chassis is equipped with a Terex High Ranger LT38 telescopic articulating aerial. It does have 700 hours on the PTO. Has a working height of 44 feet. This unit here has 158,000 miles, ice cold AC. This unit is ready to go to work. Recently truck was just serviced. We offer financing, shipping, and export on this vehicle. You call me again, the number is 954-706-0081. If unfortunately this is not the unit you're looking for, do call me and see if we have what you're looking for in stock. Majority of our units are aerial devices, or aerial units, excuse me. We also have dump trucks, digger derricks, a couple other trucks, over the road trucks. I will go ahead and start it up. We are also located about 10 minutes south of Fort Lauderdale International Airport. If you'd like to fly in and drive her home, that is possible. I can issue you a temporary tag for 30 days so you can get it home and register in your state. We offer financing on this vehicle in-state and out-of-state. It is an equipment commercial loan. It is 100% commercial on the business. It will not reflect on your personal credit. Rates as low as 5.55%. PTO, which is the hours. Emergency brake. This is for the PTO switch. You turn that on to get the PTO to work. truck is being sold by American Trucks and Equipment, located at 406 North State Road 7, Hollywood, Florida 33021. You can call or text Anthony 954-706-0081. I do offer financing, shipping, and export on this unit. Thank you. Again, this is our 2008 GMC